show you guys the engine a little bit. See what's up. So it's modestly supercharged E92 M3. Nothing too crazy, nothing too stupid. Just right, just about right. Okay, let's go for a drive. It's crazy. Right. The best thing about the supercharger is that I don't really need to rev out the car anymore. So I can be short shifting and still be satisfied with the amount of torque I'm getting from the car. It's good enough. All right. Gonna buy some drinks. Stop by the gas station for a look. A little short run. I'll just wait for the biker. Excuse me. Bit of damn road. Malfunction? The fuck is that? It's a DSC malfunction. You're telling me I don't have ABS anymore, or what the fuck? Oh, why the? I haven't even driven the car like that yet. Fuck. You know what? Oh, stop and start the car again. Let's see how it goes. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking? I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little annoyed. It's time. Boss. Thank you, sir. Have a great rest of your day. Okay, the real question is, can I drive with the SE malfunction with no problem? Can I still drive? Okay, let's read it. Okay, 50,000 miles, malfunction, reduced hours. Let's bounce. It's honestly pretty annoying. It's gone. It's gone. The code is gone. What the fuck? It's gone. Is it gone? It's gone, bro. Is it really gone? Oh shit, that was close. Actuators are still good. Just testing out my throttle actuators. Not revving it because that shit's loud as fuck. Buy a BMW, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Don't get me wrong though, it's definitely fun. It's not right now. I'm getting like real hops or something. car feels like it's not making the same power. This feels weird. Definitely feels weird. This does not feel natural at all. Fuck! Still a good car though. Still pretty much drivable. Been sort of recent though. Alright. Come on. Oh, that was fun. I love downshifting. I also love rolling back and rolling forward and rolling back. Okay, I'm gonna scare the other car. Ooh, that's a clean. That's a clean Infinity. Alrighty, let's get it, boys. He had to do it, huh? He had to do it. Look at this tiny little fucker. Oh my god, he had to do it. I feel you, bro. I feel you, bro. I do the same thing too, man. Yeah, not today, not today. I just had a really smart idea. If I don't have an EBS module, that means I cannot have a broken EBS module then, if I don't have one in the first place. Holy shit. Yeah, I think I'll just EBS delete it anyways, because I don't drive it with that shit on anyways. believe it is all I drove. Can't believe it. I gotta read a little bit into it, and then if I find out I can delete the fucking module as a whole, maybe I'll just do it that way, because I feel like ABS is kind of boring anyways with this car. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on, you almost got me in trouble, girl. Thought you were gonna take that turn right away. Feels just a little weird, just a little weird, just a little weird, just a little weird. Man, it still turns pretty good. It turns a little weird. Whoa, whoa, whoa. A little weird.